We've had a great week in Turkey, my husband and I. We like to travel a lot. When we go on holiday, we like to take it easy. We booked a Jet2 holiday. Everything was organised for us. The flight was great, short hop from Manchester. The hotel is super, beautiful boutique. The vibe's very relaxed. We're only an hour away from Izmir. The beautiful Konak Square is a must-see. There's a clock tower at its centre, and my husband and I wandered round. We wandered into the market, which is just across the square. We've got all these divine different spices and herbs.
Hi, hello, thank you.
We found a small place for a Turkish coffee. My husband's a huge coffee fan.
It's got an unusual taste with it. It's almost like it's
really nice. We had lunch in the middle of the bazaar, which was really great. It was so atmospheric because while we were sat there with the scents of the meat grilling, surrounded by pretty pot plants under the shade, it was really lovely. Well, look at this. It's lovely, isn't it? One excursion we both really loved was taking a trip into the countryside, into a nearby village called Sirince. And it was completely beautiful and so relaxing. Some of these grapes are French varieties, right?
Yes, we have only 4 varietals.
Yeah.
We are growing.
We both love to go to wineries, and here it's a real treat because there are boutique wineries that in a kind of string across the countryside.
There's sort of the oldest bottle in here. How old? What year?
We found a gorgeous winery with its owner, Reha, who'd been here planting for years and looking after his vines.
The most important factor is the climate and the terroir, the soil.
Yes. We went into the cellar, which was a real treat. He showed us the old caskets of French oak that he was aging the wines in. Something we really enjoy doing is going to art galleries. At Arcas, it's this stunning gallery. The gallery itself is a work of art. It's an architect's dream with beautiful columns, 16th century paintings, impressionists, tapestries. And the tapestries had featured Julius Caesar, which was fantastic to see. One of the highlights of the hotel is the seafood restaurant, and the food there was off the charts. Gone nice.
Okay.
Yeah, divine.
Beautiful, the theatre. How many people would be seated in there?
24,000 seat place. And
real highlight of the trip for us was a visit to Ephesus, which is one of Turkey's oldest classical ruins and remains. Ephesus is a UNESCO World Heritage listed site.
during the late 6th century AD, there was Arab attacks.
And to have that on your doorstep on holiday was easy to access. We had a wonderful, relaxed day. So it's been great to come to Turkey on holiday with my husband. We've had a rare moment of enjoying a holiday without the kids. We've had a chance to reconnect and enjoy seeing things we wouldn't normally do together or watch the world go by. There's too much to see and discover, and I really like to meet the people of a place because they tell its story the best.